Hi guys, welcome to Ruti Studios and Ruti here. Today we are going to see the unboxing and the first look of Amazefit smartwatch. Amazefit, as you know, this is a GPS running watch, is smartwatch. This is one of the most popular watch as we see these days. So we are going to see the unboxing of this watch and first look how it look like. So I have got this watch from Amazon in the Big Billion Day sale for around 7,000 rupees by getting all the offers. So first of all, this is the outlook of the box. It is packed inside very nicely, and if you see on the box, we have given the overview of the options. We have like run tracking, heart rate, built-in GPS. It also has a built-in GPS, and it also has music. It has some internal storage so that we can store the music inside it and listen to the songs, and it will also give the notifications when it is connected to your mobile. Okay, so on the back side it gives some of the other options, the same options. So long lasting battery life it will have. It also has always on display, and it has a ceramic case. It gives notifications. It is also water resistance and dust and rain resistance, but it is only splash resistance. It has built-in GPS activity and all. So let's get inside and unbox this beast. Okay, this is very nicely packed and also very good. Feels very good to unbox it. Okay. Okay, so as in when you open the box, we can see directly the watch without any paperwork and all. So this is the watch itself here. So this is nicely packed here. It is gonna move beautifully. Okay, so we can see the watch is nicely strapped to the box here. Okay, let's get to the watch then after a while. So let us see what are the other contents present inside the box. We have a USB cable here, and also we have a charging port here. Okay, when we open it, we have the dock. This is the dock for charging the watch. We can place the watch inside it and we can charge it. Okay, if we open it, this is the dock we are having here. So this dock has a USB cable, USB connection here, so that when you place the watch and connect it to the USB, the watch will start charging. Okay, this is one of the component, and the next one is we see here is a USB. This is the USB cable which is used to charge the phone. Okay, so we have some general paperwork, what are the instructions and how to use it and all. Okay, let's keep all of these aside and come to the watch. Okay, let's unbox it from here. It is very nicely packed. We can slowly take it out. Okay, here it is. Okay, as you can see, the watch is very nice. The strap is also very nice. It feels very good when you touch the strap. That is of very great quality. As you can see here, we can be able to remove the strap very easily, so that they have given some notches here. We can remove the strap easily so that we can replace the strap with the color we want. As the back of the watch, we can see that is a heart rate sensor, and there are ports to connect it to the dock station so that we can charge them. And on the front, we see this is a ceramic case. On the side, we have a button so that to power on and power off the watch. This is a ceramic case, and this is the cover. It is not the display. Yeah, this is the watch itself here. The watch look very premium in this cost. Okay, let's boot it up. Okay, as you can see, this is booting for the first time. I think it may take some time to boot and everything. As you can see, the dial of the watch is not round. It has some straight face here, so it is not actually round. Since it is the first time we are booting it up, it may take some time. Okay, finally the watch has booted up. It took so long time since it is booting up for the first time, so I forwarded the video, and finally the watch booted for the first time. It is asking to scan the QR code with the Amazefit watch app. So initially we need to download the Amazefit app in the mobile, and you need to scan it so that the watch starts. Okay, let's scan it. Okay, guys, I have installed the Amazefit app in the mobile and scanned the QR code as shown in the previous screen. So once it is scanned and everything is set up in the mobile, so it will first ask its question, which hand would you like to wear it? So we can select depending upon the usage. So am I wearing it from the left? So I select it as left. So once I select it as a left, it is okay. I think it is calibrating something. Okay, here it is. As you can see, we have booted up the watch successfully. So this is the main screen of the watch. The time is 8:42, and we can also see the number of the footsteps below and the number of miles I have run. So when we swipe it, we can see different options. So weather forecasting, daily overview, number of steps we have run, heart rate. What is your heart rate? You can check your heart rate by placing it on your hand. The music, you can also sync the music. It is having 4 GB of memory space, internal memory, so we can store the songs and listen to the songs. So alarm option we have here. We have a compass, so we need to calibrate the compass. So to calibrate the compass, turn the watch. Okay, the compass is calibrated successfully, and you can see the compass is working fine. So stop. We have the stopwatch here, and we have sleeping patterns detector, so that if you place the watch on your hand and you sleep, it will detect the sleeping patterns, how much hours you have sleep and all, so that you can track your sleeping activities. And training centers, so if you are participating or getting trained for some marathons or activities, you can use this training center. Also we have a timer here. So these are all the options available in the stopwatch. And also if you swipe on the left from the main screen, you have the sports. So different types of mode. If you are running, we can put it in the run mode, walk, run indoor, biking mode, bike indoor mode, climbing. So depending upon the activities you are performing, if you want to calculate the performance, you can select the different mode. So we have different settings here. So in settings, you can set the heart rate, the heart region alert. Depending upon your requirement, you can set the settings here. So these are the different options available. And one more thing is, so when you drag it from the top, similar to the mobile phone, you will get the notification bar where you can see the percentage of the charging. Also you can see the brightness, the airplane mode, or different amount of settings, the percentage of charging, the time, and data connection, everything. So this is settings. Here we can change the settings. So in settings we have the connection, data connection, the common settings. If you want to upload something, the watch face is the main one where you can see the main face of the watch. So if you select the watch face, you will get to see different watch faces. So this is one of the watch face currently we have, and we have different watch faces, runner watch face. So depending upon your requirement or taste, you can change the watch faces and wear the watch. For example, let's say, so there are different watch faces. For example, let's say I want to keep this watch face. Yeah, this looks good. So if I tap on it, it will be placed. So as you can see, the new watch face has been selected. So depending upon your mood or requirement, you can select the watch face also. So overall the watch looks good. It looks very premium in this cost range. Has to see the performance by using it for some more days. So finally guys, thank you for watching my video, and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.